And I'll end up playing a direct capture of this for you so you can hear it. It's actually pretty amazing. Now, I know on YouTube you're probably not going to get the full extent of the recording. It's not going to sound as good as it does to me, but it's definitely one of those things that I think you have to hear. So let's do that now. Let's play some selections from this album for you. Functionality for the DBX disc, which is what we're going to be using today, and it does have an adjustment here for the play level so that you can get everything calibrated properly. But not only does it give us a pretty light show when it's playing, but it does all of the decoding right here in the box. I'm going to take the output from this directly into my Motu M2 digital capture device and capture a live playback from this device so you guys can hear what it sounds like. I think you'll be pretty impressed.